Today I'm going to show you how to relink media in Premiere Pro. If it's just one of your clips missing on the timeline, you can just go over to the project panel, find the missing clip, which will have a little question mark next to it. Right click on the clip, go to Link Media, and it's going to bring up this little dialog box for you. You can just go to Locate, find the file path, find the clip, and then click OK. Then it will relink in the timeline. If all the clips in your timeline are missing, like in this case, the best way to do it is to go to File, top left, go down to Link Media. It will then bring up all the clips for you in one go. Make sure Relink Others automatically is checked. Go to Locate, and then again find the file structure. You only need to find one of the clips here if they're all in the same folder. Then click OK, and they'll all relink together. This is a really quick way of doing it. I hope that helps. See you in the next one.